Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new kit. It's called the Tradie Life. This is our new Create in Colour. It's our very second Create in Colour, and I can't wait to show you what is inside this kit. So we released a collection a little while ago called Aussie Tradies, and you guys begged with us to please make that into creative cuts and papers because you loved the images so much. So we've taken a few of those images, added a whole bunch more, and created this beautiful collection. You get your creative cuts in the kit, the baker's twine, the A5 card makers papers, and I'll show you those shortly. The magazine, which has got in here a whole bunch of cards, and it's got all the pieces you need. So they start off easy, and then you got a little bit harder ones, right up to really hard ones in the back. And of course, all your color cards as well. So all the Copic colors you've used are in here as well. So this is in the kit. You also get a sheet of our watercolor paper with all of the cute little images on there to color, and a sheet of Copic Blending Card as well. That is in the kit. So all of this is in the kit, plus you get the cards and envelopes, and of course you get the foam mount strips as well in the kit to make all these cards. Let me take you through what is in the collection pack. So these are great for cards, small print images, and these, if you cut them in half, that is the actual size of our rectangle cards and envelopes, so Australian sizes, and a really easy, simple backgrounds already created for you. You've just got to pop your little creative cuts on and you have cards made in a matter of minutes. So these are great for kids, beginners, but you can also make really detailed cards if you are a more experienced crafter as well. So we're trying to cover all bases. Fussy cutting if you want to fussy cut pieces out, more backgrounds, all these guys, so cute, so you can cut more images out, or they're also in the creative cuts, and lucky last we've got all the sayings. And then there's another whole set. So there's 32 in here, so there's quite a lot. In the creative cuts, let me just tip these out and show you so many, jam-packed full. Oh, I can't get them out. So you've got large format ones. This guy wants to drive the car already. Right down to your characters and all of their different things. So you've got ladders, paintbrushes, all your different trades. So if you have a chippy or a sparky or a plumber or a painter, you name it, you can probably get a sweet little character or a creative cut. So there's just so many. Hello, happy birthday in there. Let me just put these aside and show you the cards. So these are the cards that are in the magazine. So this is quite simple. This is a background and this one's just layered on top, and the little guy's just up with the foam mounts you get in the kit. Again, that background. And I recently did some renos, and I would have loved to have had some cards like this to give our trades, just to say thanks for everything. And if you didn't have a painter you wanted to give it to, you've got a guy with a shovel, you've got, there's like a hammer, there's a screwdriver for a sparky, all different little elements that you can use. Oh, here we go. Put the hammer on there for a chippy, for all the different trades. Congrats to the whole bunch. This one is just a sweet little home sweet home one if someone's moving into a new house. This guy could be a plumber, or again, you could swap him out with the paintbrush or the hammer. This one's my favorite. This guy's setting up this little banner, and he's got his paintbrush and his ladder, and all this baker's twine is from in the kit. Oh, what a day. I think the boss needs this one. And again, if you don't want the Tradie Life in the back, just put a few more hammers or screwdrivers or tools in there. So kids would love these, but so would all the trades. This is some of the color cards. Some of these will be on the website. Some of them will be in the magazine. So you'll be able to jump off and see some on the blog, some here. Aren't they cute? I think if you love to colour, these images are amazing. And as I said, they're already on the Copic Blending Card. So you just got to get your markers out and colour them. You can also buy these images as digital downloads, and then you can just print as many as you like on your Copic paper at home and colour and colour and colour again. So this kit is now available on our website. Also, please check it out in the stores. If you don't want to buy the whole kit, you can pop down to your local stockist and you can just pick up the paper pack, or you can pick up the creative cuts as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you love this kit as much as we do. Until next time, bye.